Greetings from chilly Beijing, China, where I arrived Wednesday night into one of the most modern airports on the globe in a city whose modernity stunned the world during the last Summer Olympics. But as my taxi wended its way through ever narrower streets, I realized I'd be staying in a Beijing that looks more 19th century than 21st century. Welcome to 515 Yonghe Villas, where I'm spending 5 weeks living and working with my two 20-something sons, Jonathan and Christopher. During my visit, I'll be helping Jonathan develop an English language training program for Chinese high school students who are hoping to attend college in America. Now that you're comfortable, meet Ricky, a student who is helping to field test our curriculum, who's going to be my Web 2.0 personal trainer during my stay. Like most people, I get self-conscious when I anticipate talking about myself. So to get started, let me introduce my son Jonathan, who can get the ball rolling.
My mom may be self-conscious, but she definitely doesn't shy away from adventures. In the last few years, she has set up education programs in Southeast Asia, Africa, and here in China. It's hard to keep up with her, but her nonstop energy definitely enriches the lives of everyone around her.
To conclude, I look forward to getting to know all of you, your talents, your opinions, and even your quirks. So for now, as they say in China, 再见 or bye-bye.